You sound like a girl.
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 You Sound Like a Girl is a performance and companion workshop about women's voices. The performance hasn't been created yet. We're still pre-production. We'll be spending the summer of 2018 developing it. And then at the end of the summer, we will hopefully have something to share with all of you. And then ultimately the performance will be paired with a workshop. So if you come and see the show, you will be able to stick around afterwards. You'll be invited to participate in a workshop and work on freeing your own voice.
Because my work's only goal is to encourage freedom of self-expression. Every day in my work, I see girls and women grappling with their sense of self. There seems to be a never-ending weeding through on how everyone says they should behave and speak.
Your voice is everything. It's you walking down the street. It's you at that interview. It's you speaking to your boss. It's you speaking to your child. It's you speaking to your parents, your father. It's your mother. It's your mother speaking to you and you being like, hey, don't say those things. It's everything. It's everything.
We want to help women free their voices and have the power and the strength to use their voice and express themselves in any way they choose.
I think it's just relevant so that we know we're not alone. And when we can go, oh my God, that's happened to you. Okay, I wasn't crazy. I wasn't crazy for feeling that way. I wasn't crazy for being upset or mad or confused. And then maybe in that way, we can also gain some of our power back and go, next time I'm not going to allow that. Next time I'm going to say something else. Or next time I'm not going to be upset at myself for feeling that way.
To me, to sound like a girl means sounding empowered and free.
I think that's up to you. My goal for this project is really so that there is no answer to that question. My goal is that you get to answer it on your own. If you identify as a girl, as a woman, I want you to have the freedom to express yourself in any way you see fit.
There's no sounding like a girl. There's just sounding like a human being in process.
Do you sound like a girl?
We need your support.
We need your support.
We need your support.
We need your support.
We need your support to make You Sound Like a Girl happen.
It's conversation. It's change.